Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SSH in Windows Terminal with Git Bash. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Windows Terminal on your computer. In the drop-down menu, select Git Bash. If Git Bash is not in the list, you may need to add it manually. To do this, click on the down arrow in the title bar. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a settings file in your default text editor. Locate the section called Profiles. Within that section, find or create a new profile for Git Bash. Assign a name like Git Bash to this profile. Set the command line to the path of your Git Bash executable. Typically, this path is c:/program files/git/bin/bash.exe. Now, save your changes and close the settings file. Next, you'll want to set up your SSH keys if you haven't done so already. Open Git Bash again. Enter the command SSH keygen TRSAB4096C your email at example.com. Replace your email at example.com with your actual email address. Press Enter to accept the default file location for saving the key. You can set a passphrase for added security, or just press Enter to skip. Once the keys are generated, navigate to your .ssh directory. You can do this by typing cd/.ssh. In this directory, you should see two files, id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. Open the public key with a text editor by typing nano id_rsa.pub. Select the content of the id_rsa.pub file and copy it. Now, you need to add this SSH key to your GitHub or Git server account. Log in to your GitHub account. Go to your account settings and find SSH and GPG keys. Click on New SSH key. Paste your copy, give it a title for reference and click Add SSH key. Your SSH key is now configured with your GitHub account. To test the connection, return to Git Bash. Enter the command sshtgit@github.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.